Hi guys, this is Petrie and welcome to a Black Ops 2 video. And we're just going to be sniping. There'll probably be no Minecraft video tonight. Sorry, but thought about it, I didn't really. Don't really think about it. So, I just hope you enjoy this vid. And by the way, my camera is zoomed out, but I've got an extra large TV now, so yeah. I will be talking. Bye bye. Sucker.
We're clear for contact.
I'm still talking now. I think I just hit it. I'm not sure. I might.
Your mission directive has been achieved.
I might have. I feel like oh, cool. Look at this. I tried to go over there. No, clat. It was though. It was a clat. Damn it. I'm gonna still keep going. This video's only been on for 3 minutes. So I'm gonna keep going.
Deathmatch.
Yeah, I'll go with the DSR first and then the ballista. Looks so cool. Like, how about a 5-hour?
Deadly force is authorized. We're winning this fight.
Hi, dog, shut up. B. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Going. No. knew it was the same guy who missed. Ooh. Bob. No, I'm scared. Oh, get this. Boop.
One down.
Oh, damn it. I should have hit that. Damn it, I'm still going. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna end it with the last kill on this guy. Thinking out. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna end it here, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys.